Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things and another episode of March Madness. We're on number 20. This is another card using the Country Floral Lane paper, the hearts, and then it uses the stamp set as well as a cutout from one of the DSP sheets. The large hearts, this page right here. And the punch, which I don't own, is actually 4 pieces. It's both hearts and the leaves. And Stampin' Up! Does a really good job when they create the coordinating DSP to always be able to either die cut or punch out on at least one of the page of patterns on their DSP. So this has a nice lovely for you. There is this swath of a banner. I don't own this set. I will try to find it. It may be from the heart stamp set, I'm not sure. Probably not because it's a punch. White baker's twine from the Essentials solid baker's twine. Then I used again the solid faceted gems in the magenta, Mango Melody. Inside, nicely stamped, double matted. This is like a book fold, sort of a fancy fold, where you just score in at like 1.25 inches, and then you create a matting, and you can do a nice treatment. And when it opens, that part, the left side, stays flat. Oh, and that is not the correct envelope, although I do have the card for that. Here is the envelope that I made. So this one is fully done and ready to go. That concludes episode 20. Many more to go. I will have the supplies list on my blog. You can leave your comments, questions, or concerns here on the video or over on my blog. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and tune in tomorrow for the next episode of March Madness.